Water is essential, but not all water is created equal. Many of us trust what comes out of the tap, yet hidden contaminants and chemical imbalances can impact our health over time. That's why products like the Alka Water DIY system have gained attention. But the big question remains, does it actually deliver the promise of cleaner, healthier water? The problem with many water systems is that they either don't filter effectively or they're expensive and cumbersome. Bottled water might seem convenient, but it adds recurring costs and environmental waste. On the other hand, DIY water systems can be confusing or require trial and error to set up properly. For everyday consumers, knowing what truly works can be overwhelming. Alka Water DIY claims to create alkaline water at home, improving hydration and balancing pH levels in your body. Users report that it's easy to assemble, lightweight, and doesn't need electricity, which makes it accessible for nearly anyone. But beyond convenience, does it really purify water and maintain beneficial minerals? In testing, Alka Water DIY effectively filters out common contaminants while adding a slight alkalinity to the water. The filtration process is straightforward. Water passes through natural mineral cartridges that remove impurities and adjust pH. Compared to conventional pitchers or tap water, the system provides a noticeable difference in clarity and taste. It also avoids chemicals or artificial additives, giving users a more natural hydration option. One of the key insights is that while Alka Water DIY doesn't turn tap water into medical-grade water, it improves everyday drinking water quality meaningfully. It's particularly useful for households looking for a simple, low-maintenance system that enhances water without the cost of full-scale filtration units. The real value lies in consistent, incremental improvement, rather than a dramatic transformation. In conclusion, Alka Water DIY works as promised for general household use. It's simple, portable, and maintains the natural minerals in water while raising pH slightly. For people who want better water without complicated setups, this is a practical option. Remember, no water system is perfect, so it's important to understand your local water quality and needs. If you're interested in trying it yourself or want to see how the system works in detail, check the product page in the description. It includes setup instructions and specifications to help you make an informed choice. Subscribe for more reviews and DIY water solutions that are easy to understand and apply at home. Learning the small tweaks that make a real difference in water quality is easier than you think, and you can start today with tools like this system.